Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar and to a very cool song from Khalid called Cold Blooded. So this one goes in the same way through the entire song like many Khalid songs do. So yeah, let's start right away. No need for any cape on this one. 4 different chords. So let's go over the chords first. First one is F major 7. So that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have next the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And the final chord is D minor 7. So that is open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. And we usually bar the B and E here on the 1st fret, so like that. Alright, so those are the chords: F major 7, A minor, G, and D minor 7. Okay, and the chords comes in exact that order as well through the entire song. So we're gonna play F major 7. Here you want to emphasize the open E string, so really go all the way down, clap, and then you're gonna play the chord again as a shift to the next chord. So that is kind of the technique here, or how you handle the chords in the song. So F, clap, and then the next chord. All right, so F major 7, clap, and then 1 down again, and then you shift immediately to A minor. Here you want to emphasize the 1st fret B string. That's the C note there. So if you can, stop the downstroke on the B string. Okay, in that way you emphasize a note or a string, and that is how you want for the song. You want to stop, if you can, at the B string. That is the note you want to highlight here. So down on A minor, clap, and then on the next A minor down, which is the lead to the next chord, you want to emphasize the open E string. Okay, so a little bit tricky here. On the first A minor down, you want to stop on the B string, then you clap, and then on the next A minor you want to really include the open E string, since that is the note you want to emphasize as a bridge to the next chord, which is the G. Here you want to emphasize the 3rd fret B string. So if you can, stop the downstroke on the B, then clap, and play it again with emphasized on the same note on the 3rd fret B. And then we have the final chord left, the D minor 7. And here you want to emphasize the 1st fret B string. Sometimes it's the 1st fret E string, so it's up to you. In some rounds they do the B, and some rounds the E. So, and then clap. And then you have this extra down again for D minor 7, like all the other chords. Here you want to emphasize the 3rd fret E string, so you're gonna add this little pinky or whatever finger you want to use here, the ring finger, as a bridge to the next chord, and you have fulfilled 1 round. So that is how you handle the chords and the notes you want to emphasize. And this with the notes emphasized, a little bit kind of next level here. You could just go with the downs for the chords, but if you really want to be specific and get the real right sound for the song, then go for this and practice these downstrokes with the notes you want to highlight. Okay, so gonna go over a little bit quick from the beginning till the end. So F major 7, emphasize the open E string, clap, and then again the open E string. Then you shift to A minor. You want to emphasize the C, the first fret B string, that's a C note, clap on the first time. And then on the next down, you want to emphasize the open E string, this one. Then you shift to G, and on both the Gs, you want to emphasize the third fret B string, this one, clap, and again. And the D minor 7, the C or the first fret B string or the first fret E string, clap. And then on the second one, you want to emphasize the third fret E string as a bridge, and that is one round. You can also, instead of playing the last down on the D minor 7, and of course with this third fret on the E string, play like a little short melody, which is like that. So that means the end here from G, clap, D minor, clap, and then comes next F major 7. And this is open G, second G, and first B. And I hammer on, as soon as I play the open G string, I hammer on the second G and get the first B right after. So that is how it's done for this song. I'm gonna give you a taste of how it could sound, so let's go from the beginning. And so on. Play with it, and the song is yours, Khalid, Cold Blooded. Thank you for watching, guys. Good luck with this one, and play tuned.